Hi everybody, it's Becky Franson again with the Pampered Chef. I just wanted to share one of my favorite summertime tools with you all, and that is the Pampered Chef's Pineapple Wedger. So I have a lot of customers and hosts and friends and family who love fresh pineapple, as does my family. And they're looking for an easy way to cut it, remove it from the skin. With our pineapple wedger, it is truly a breeze. So I'm just going to share a couple of tips with you, how you can pick out a good pineapple, how you know when it's ripe, and then the best way to use our pineapple wedger. So when you're looking for a pineapple at the grocery store, usually they're green, which means that it's more underripe. The eyes of your pineapple, these little circles, you want to be as uniform as possible, so pretty similar in shape and size. The more ripe your pineapple becomes, the more brown those eyes become. The second tip that I want to share with you is how it smells. So if you smell the bottom of your pineapple, it should smell sweet, like a fresh pineapple. If you don't smell anything, most likely it's not ripe yet. So just set it on your counter, leave it there for a couple of days, and as it ripens, you'll see the eyes turn brown and the smell will get sweeter and sweeter. Once it's ripe, what I like to do is I put it in the refrigerator and I stand it upside down on its stem. And what that does is it redistributes all the sugars, because when it's sitting on your counter like this, all the sugars are dropping to the bottom. So by putting it in the refrigerator upside down, all the sugars get redistributed. And then after you've done that for a day or so, you can go ahead and cut it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to take a long knife. Our 7-inch Santoku knife or our chef's knife is fabulous. Take a big knife and you want to cut off the top like so. And we're going to cut off the bottom. Okay. The next thing you want to do, which is very important, is cut it in half again so that you're working with two smaller pieces. If you try to wedge through the entire pineapple, depending on the size, it's going to be more challenging. Now, if you're a little bit shorter, like I am, I'm about 5'2", barely. Sometimes it's easier to do this on a table versus a counter because counters are higher, but I'm okay doing it on my counter. So then what you do is, now that you have your two smaller pieces, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the pineapple wedger from the protective cover, and you're going to line up the center of your pineapple, the core, with the circle in the center of your pineapple wedger. So you're just going to line it up and you're going to rock your pineapple wedger like so. Just rock it down. Rock, 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 rock. When you get to the bottom, what you're going to do is you're going to take the protective cover, you're going to put it underneath, and you're going to line up the two handles with the two sides of your wedger, and you're just going to snap it all the way through. What that does is it releases the skin from your pineapple so that what you're left with is two fabulous pieces of pineapple. Now you can use the core to flavor your waters. I'll put it in a water bottle and then I have fresh pineapple water. You can also use our core and more, and you can scrape off some of the excess pineapple from the skin, and you can use that in a smoothie or you can just eat it. So that is how you use our pineapple wedger. So I'll show you one more time using the second piece. So here is our pineapple. I line up the center hole with the center on the pineapple, and you just rock it through. Rock, 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 rock. Then you take the cover, you put it underneath, and you snap it through. Whoops, I don't think I'm lined up. There you go. Now I'm lined up. Okay, and now we have our two pineapple pieces. Now the next product I want to show you that I often will use with my pineapple wedger is our new quick slice. So this is great if you want to slice those pineapples into pieces to maybe use for a pineapple upside down cake. So again, you have a protective cover, you have the base, and then you have the blades. So you simply put one of your pieces of pineapple on the base of your quick slice, and then you line up the blades, and I just sliced our pineapple into lots of little individual pieces. I also use this quick slice for quickly slicing strawberries. You can line about 7 or 8 strawberries depending on the size. You can use this for avocados, for eggs, for mushrooms, anything, cheese, lunch meats, anything that you want to slice into little thicker pieces, tomatoes, potatoes, all of those things are great for our quick slice. So I hope you found this video helpful for you to wedge your pineapple. If you would like to purchase a pineapple wedger or a quick slice or any of our other products, feel free to let me know, or you can head on over to my Pampered Chef website, www.pamperedchef.biz/Becky Franson. Have a great Sunday.